Hi, good morning, class. We're looking at week 16, day 2. It's Tuesday. So remember, I would like you guys to go through each of these problems, pause the video, work them out on your own, and then come back and watch the video to see if your strategy got you to the correct answer. Okay, so for number 1, 576 divided by 5. So we're going to write our divisor here, 576, divided in that box with our dividend, number 5. So remember, I like to do my multiples of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. And if you need to, you count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our first multiple. Count them up again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can go through that process all the way down if we need to. But for speed's sake, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Remember, we're looking at doing 10 of these. So now I like to cover up all the other digits. So does 5 go into 5? Look at the multiples. So my first one, 5. What's the number of the multiple? It is the first multiple. It's 1. 1 goes here. I already know that that multiple was 5, and I take that away. Now, because this was in the hundreds place value, I have to put 0 in the tens and 0 in the ones for this partial quotient. Same for down here as well. Then I do just the regular subtraction here. So 6 minus 0 is 6, 7 minus 0 is 7, 5 minus 5 is 0. So I just have a 76 here. Now I'm going to go back up through here. I'm going to cover up everything but this 7. So does 5 go into 7? Now I know my second multiple is 10, and that's too big. So I have to go back up to that first multiple. And I put that right above this 7, this 1. So 5 times 1 is 5 here. And because this is in the tens place value, I have to put a 0 in this ones place value. And I have to put a 0 over here as well. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, cool. 26, that's a little bit bigger. So I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 is too big. So my biggest multiple that goes into it is 25, and that is my fifth multiple. Well, how do you know, Mr. Shelton? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put that 5 right above the 6. Why not above the 2? Well, I have already, if I had it over the 2, then I'd be covering up the 6. 5 does not go into 2. 5 goes into 26. It's the smallest place value that it goes into, and it's the 6. So it goes into that column. This is 25, and I have 1 as a remainder. So here, if I add all of these up, I'll go 100, 10, 5. Combining my partial quotients here. This is 5, this is 1, and this is 1. So I have 115. But what is this remainder? Well, that means I have a remainder of 1. It's 115, remainder 1. And my apologies, I didn't have all this shown when I just did just the addition here. Okay, if you have not already solved this, pause it and come back to this video once you have figured it out. Line them up by place value, 1, 7, 3, 2, 4, 9. Then I have 5, 6, 2, 4, 5. Then I'm adding here, so I'm going to just combine them with addition. 9 plus 5 is 14. Regroup. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. Put the comma separating the 3 digits in the ones period from the 3 digits that will be in the thousands period. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. I regroup, I put that 1 up here. This is a 229,494. All right. Now we're looking at rounding this to the nearest 10. Okay, so what digit is in the tens place value? Now I haven't done the rounding like this for a while. Figured I would give it a change. Okay, so this is either 462,140 or 462,150. So this is either 462,140, or the tens place value goes up 1 more digit and becomes a 5. 462,150. Okay, and you guys have seen this before. Looking for what's the middle number between these two. It is 462,145, because 5 is halfway between 40 and 50 is 45. So this is 462,145. All right. Now, where does this digit fit? 462145. 462145. Well, that fits exactly in the middle. Now we know if our rules of 5, if it's 5 or more, this 5 or more, it rounds up. So it is this larger number, 462,150. It rounds up. Okay. Fourth problem. A total of 419 students will attend field day. Mr. Wolf needs 4 ribbons for each student and 48 ribbons for the parents who will be helping. How many ribbons does Mr. Wolf need in all? Okay, so 419 students will attend field day. He needs 4 ribbons for each student and 48 ribbons for parents who will be helping. So how many ribbons does he need in all? So we have a total of 419 students, and he needs 4 ribbons for each student. So we have 4 groups of 419, right? So if each student needs 4 ribbons for every student, 4 groups of 419 students. So this is how many ribbons he needs for students, okay? Then we have 48 ribbons for the parents who will be helping. So then we're going to add 48 ribbons for the parents. So it's not 48 ribbons for each of the parents. It's 48 ribbons for all of the parents who will be helping. Now, when I was first reading this, I was thinking, well, by golly, this could be a really confusing question. And hopefully some of us got this, or all of us got this, that it was 2 separate pieces. So the students part is here. And it's just, we're combining those 48 there. So let's do the math here. 419 times 4. So we have 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 110 is 4 tens. I put the zeros here because I have this digit and this digit. Okay, and this is the hundreds place value. So 4 times 4 hundreds is 16 hundreds, or 1,600. And I combine them. So 600 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. And this is 6 and 1. So I have 1,676 ribbons in all. And that's how we get there. Okay. This is a multi-step problem. So we have step 1, and then we have step 2. So step 1, how many ribbons do the students need? And step 2, we're combining the parent ribbons to what the student ribbons have. Okay, all right, thank you. If you have questions on these, please bring them up at our 1 o'clock afternoon meeting.